Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to sum across multiple sheets in a workbook. Before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for future updates. If you ever had to sum up items across many different sheets, then you know it can be a real pain when there are a lot of sheets. But there is another way to solve this problem and reduce the pain of adding all the sheet at once. Let's take an example. Here you can see we have a table of employees' monthly salary figures in each separate tab named through January till December, and we have a summary sheet like this to create a total for each employee, annual basic salary and other allowances annually. Now one way that normally most of us doing is to sum up each of the tables in the January to December sheet. Then you could use this formula like adding each of the sheets and then copy it across other slabs to get all of the items there like this. January basic salary plus February basic salary, then March basic salary, then April basic salary, then May basic salary, then June basic salary, and then July basic salary plus then August, then September, October, November, and then finally December. So here you get the annual salary for this employee. Now you can obviously copy this and drag this down or paste it down, so you get this one, and when you drag it to the right like this, then you get all of the figures, and you drag it down, then you get all of the figures of each employee annually like this. But wait a minute, creating this formula isn't very efficient though, as it requires selecting the Jan sheet, then selecting the particular sale, and then typing plus sign for each month. Now we have a better option. Let's see this. What we have to do now, just take a equal sign, then type sum, tab button. Now for the first month, like for the January, go to the January sheet, click on the basic salary of that employee. Now you have to hold the shift button and then directly go to the December sheet, and now you can see it automatically get G3. Yes, so you have to close the bracket and then enter. Here we go. Now you can see it's quick and easy method. Now you can drag it down to get annual salary of all the employees, and drag to the right to get all other options, all other tabs like this, and then again drag it down. Here it is. Just in 2 minutes or less than that time, you can take all the annual salary of all the employee. But in order to use this formula, you have to remember one thing. To use this technique and cycling through all sheets, you must ensure that each sheet has the same format. Like you can see, all the basic salary is in G and other are in the particular ledger, particular column in each of the sheet.